Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm showing you guys how to make this creamy sweet chili chicken. Very easy to make and it's so delicious. Before we begin, if you're new here, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get started. Since I've already set up all the ingredients that I'm going to use for this recipe, the only thing remaining and what I'm doing right here is showing you how to cut a bell pepper. I first cut it into stripes, then dice it into cubes. Other ingredients you're going to need apart from the bell peppers, the yellow and the red, are the onions, definitely the chicken. We're using chicken breasts, which is cubed. You're going to need garlic powder, oregano, paprika and cayenne to make it have that kick, some tomato paste, and definitely some sweet and chili sauce. Once all the ingredients are ready, next up we go on to marinating the chicken breast. You pour in your oregano, your garlic powder, your paprika and your cayenne. Mix everything together till well incorporated and let the chicken breast rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next up, light up your fire, put your pan and put some cooking oil. Let the cooking oil heat a little bit so that when you're putting in the chicken, there is that sizzle sound. Once you put the chicken, you'll hear the sizzle, and it is so important because it helps the chicken to sear till golden brown. Spread it around nicely with your spatula to avoid overcrowding, because when it overcrowds, it will definitely steam and you want it to sear. Once it has seared, give it about 5 to 8 minutes each side to sear till golden brown. As you can see, it looks really nice and appetizing already. Allow it to cook on the other side and let it brown. Once it is golden brown on all sides, it's time for you to add up your veggies. Start with your diced onion together with your colored bell peppers. Here you can use yellow, orange, red. The choice is yours. Stir everything till well combined and let the meat and the veggies marinate nicely and sip in the flavors of each other. Let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes because you're going to have them cook longer after this step. Next up, add your sweet chili sauce together with the tomato paste and allow them to cook. It is critical to allow your tomato paste to cook so that you don't have the raw tasting flavor of the tomato paste. Remember to also season your dish with some salt and black pepper according to your desired taste. Stir everything, let it cook down before we go to the next step. The very last thing we are adding is the Greek yogurt together with some chicken stock. This is what makes the chicken so creamy at the end of the dish. So you add them in, stir everything, and allow it to reduce to your desired consistency. This is how I wanted mine. At this point it was done. You could garnish it with whatever you desire, whether it's coriander, whether it is parsley or chives. It's all up to you, depending on the flavor palette you want. Serve it with some rice and some broccoli, and you're sure you're gonna enjoy this meal. It is so good. This is it, guys, for this dish. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful to you, and also subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.